Hello guys, my name's Barry from Quinn Global. I'm here today to demonstrate how to bond the Ortex panelling to the ceiling or anywhere above your head using the X40 canister system in conjunction with the TensorGrip construction bead adhesive. So firstly we'll get the gun and the X40 canister system. Just give it a quick spray, make sure it sprays evenly. And then we go to our Ortex panelling and we just give it a nice even spray with a 50% overlap. Okay, and then straight away we can get the TensorGrip construction adhesive in the caulking gun and just give it a perimeter bead just around the edge, like so. Once you've done this, probably allow 2 to 3 minutes for it to just tack off and then apply it to the ceiling. And then just go across the middle like this. While we're waiting for this to tack off for a few minutes, we'll just go to the X40 canister system and apply it in the same fashion, 50% overlap to the ceiling or wherever you're installing the Ortex panelling. Bond it to the ceiling and then give it use a roller, something similar to this, and just give it a good roll over just to ensure that it's adhered properly.